Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a familiar face today. This is Sheree. You guys have seen her many times on my channel. So she's here today and she came on her own.
I called Char and I'm like, hey, what you doing? She said, oh, just put on a little makeup. I'm thinking about recording. I said, okay, well, make it really cute. I'm coming over. So
I got cute.
Early Christmas. She has no idea what's in the bag.
I have no idea.
I was like, let's film it.
So I'm getting an early Christmas gift because my friends are amazing. Okay? You guys saw the last unboxing that I did. It was from Sheree. She gave me that Estee Lauder box. Amazing. Mm-hmm. So now I'm doing a Mac unboxing, it looks like, or something. So I have no idea what's in it, y'all. Like, I literally don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna pull it.
Close my eyes.
That's fine. You can open it.
Okay. Ooh. So it comes in this Christmas packaging. You guys can see it right here. Very snowflakey. I have no idea. No idea what's in this.
It's good.
Okay. She said it's good, so it's good, y'all. She's a good gifter. So, yep. So what made you buy this, or what made you think of me?
So, it's Black Friday.
Oh, that's true.
And they were having a sale, so I was buying myself something, and at the register they had this, and I was like, let me go ahead and get Char Christmas gift. And then when I talked to her, she was already getting ready to do some stuff. I'm like, let me just give it to her. Yeah. So she can record now.
Okay, so that's what we're doing. This is going to be short and sweet, but I'm still going to be amazed either way. So
it's cute.
Ooh. Oh, guys, more surprises. No idea. Do y'all see this? Oh my God,
cute.
That is so pretty.
I know, it's fancy, isn't it?
Okay. So guys, 12 days of Christmas. I mean, if this is not amazing, I don't know what is. This is Sheree.
I know.
This is so cute.
I was like, oh, Char can record this.
And these are full sizes?
Open it. So
12 days of Christmas, and I'm gonna open it in order for you guys. So I have no idea what's in each of them. I mean, this is fantastic. Oh.
This is number one.
Okay. Surprise me.
Velvet Teddy. You have that.
I don't have Velvet Teddy, actually. Do I? I don't have Velvet. Oh, this is cute.
Can I see that?
Yeah.
Ooh, pretty.
That's pretty, y'all.
That's a nice nude.
I actually don't have Velvet Teddy, and I've heard so much about it, so I am super excited to add this to my collection. So the first day of Christmas is Velvet Teddy.
That's a full size.
Yeah. That is a full size.
Okay.
Okay, I'll do the second one. That's exciting. 12 days of Christmas. Oh my God, y'all. Okay, day number 2. So the next one is All That Glitters, and this is an eyeshadow. So this one is All That Glitters eyeshadow, and it's a full size as well. So I'm guessing they're all full size products, or maybe most of them are.
I have number 3. It is some kind of cream.
Oh, this is like a highlighting cream, strobe.
Day number 3 is a highlighting cream.
I think that might not be a full size. That might be a deluxe size. So that's cute. That's cute.
Per size.
Mac came through. The 4th day of Christmas. What do we have?
Oh, mascara.
No. So on the 4th day of Christmas, we have a 3D mascara. This one is... It looks like a full size to me.
Nope.
It's not, is it?
No.
Okay, so it looks like it's a deluxe size, but it's a mascara. Actually, Sheree,
my favorite.
Yeah, besides Lancome mascaras, MAC mascaras are the only ones she uses. So we have a mascara.
So I have the 5th day of Christmas here. It is another lip. Now, this is a mini lip.
That is a mini. Yeah.
This one is called Cockney.
Ooh.
Oh, it's a red.
It's a true red. It's a pretty...
Ooh, it looks like my nails, don't it?
Yeah, it does. Does it have glitter?
Yes. Yep, it has a little hint of glitter in it.
Okay.
But that's, for it to be a mini, that's a nice amount of lipstick.
I agree, because you really don't need that much.
No, you don't. So for the 5th day of Christmas, we have a mini lip Cockney.
Hey. 6th day of Christmas. I'm so excited. Like, it's like every day is a surprise.
Right.
I'm opening it early, so I wonder if all the boxes are the same. Or if they're different, you know?
Well, you know how they come out with so many different things?
Yes.
I got the one that had the most.
On the 6th day of Christmas, we have a lip gloss. And this one is Oyster Girl. This one is a little shimmery. Yeah, so it's a lip gloss, basically a lip gloss with a little bit of shimmer.
I have the 7th day of Christmas here. Let's see what it is.
Maybe the 12th day might be something
Ooh.
amazing.
Okay. This is just an eyeshadow wedge matte.
Yeah.
It looks like a base.
Yeah, it looks like a transition or just a base color.
It looks like a base.
Yeah.
For the 7th day of Christmas, we have an eyeshadow wedge.
And the 8th day, oh gosh, this is so exciting. Like for real. Oh, we have another lip, I think.
So when I was getting it, I was like, let me go ahead and get this for my friend's Christmas present. Oh my gosh, you're gonna buy her that for Christmas? I wish I had friends like you.
Period.
I was like, they just be buying their friends little Walmart stuff. Which I get some stuff from there too. My favorite thing is the sugar scrub.
Yes.
So I always give me sugar scrub. Ooh.
Yes, the Treehouse sugar scrubs are amazing.
If y'all don't have it or tried it, get it.
Okay, on the 8th day of Christmas, we have another lip. Lots of lips, which I'm not mad about because I'm a lip girl. We have Craving, and this one, ooh. This is like a mauvey color. This one is nice. So this is a mini, and it's called Craving. So you got one for yourself?
No, I didn't get one of them. I like that though.
You like that one?
Yeah.
You could have it.
I think I want that one. That's gonna be pretty with my liner.
Yeah,
I like that.
So Sheree might get the everyday of Christmas because she really liked it, y'all.
Yeah,
so that
I like
one
that
was very pretty.
So for the 9th day of Christmas, we have another eyeshadow. It is Carbon.
So it's a black.
Yeah, just a black. Nice smoky eye.
For sure. Of course, like Christmas and the holidays, a smoky eye is always fire. On the 10th day of Christmas, we have... So lots of lips in this, y'all. We have another lip gloss, and this one is nude. This is Spice. So we have another lip gloss, and it's Spice. I think, Sheree, you might like that one too.
Yeah, I do like that one.
Spice, y'all. So that's nice. They came through.
I like that it's basics too.
Yeah,
it's not
it's
just
like your
too
everyday.
Christmassy.
Yeah, it's your everyday basic colors.
We have another lip gloss, Magically Delightful.
That's pretty.
I like that.
That's a pretty color too. So
that's a pink. Nice name. Yeah. Magically Delightful.
Okay, and we have the final gift.
12th day of Christmas. What we got?
On the 12th day, we have another lipstick because they just want my lips to be fire and popping. So,
y'all like my Cheetah Road? I just threw it on.
On the 12th day of Christmas, I actually do have this one. It's Diva.
Oh,
Diva is pretty. Diva is nice, y'all. That's a classic MAC. And I love that one a lot. So you have some minis, you have some full-size ones. There you have it. Yeah. 12 days of Christmas, and I love it. Like, it's the lip heaven that you need as a girl. If you like lippies, you should get this. It's so cute. And I just love the packaging. Like, I mean, yeah, they did that, y'all. It's
that's
like
cute.
Oh, so cute.
Yeah,
so like thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my God, I was not expecting this today, y'all. For real. Wasn't expecting this, but I am super happy. Thank you, my love. Like, you always come through. Like, she sets the bar really high, y'all. Like, now I have to think, what the heck am I gonna get her for Christmas? Because
last year she got me an Alexa. Ooh, that was the best gift ever. I used Alexa like crazy.
Alexa's your BFF, y'all. She is really good with gifts. Like, you're the best. Thank you so much. Tell me if you guys are gonna cop this. Are you guys gonna get the 12 days of Christmas? I'm not sure how much she paid, but I'm sure knowing her, she probably got a good deal.
I did.
Because she does work at Dillard's, y'all. So she's the plug. And so yeah, so thank you as always.
You're welcome.
I appreciate you. And thank you for tuning in. I will see you guys soon in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, it's fancy, isn't it?
Okay, so you guys get to see it before I do.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay.
I hadn't opened it yet.
It may have toppled. Ooh.
I forgot it does that. Okay.